Tonight, a warning to check your credit score after a data breach involving Three Rivers Hospital. A company called CPS Solutions helps to support the pharmacy there, but patient information was compromised at the end of last year.
It's just one of hundreds of data breaches that happened in 2024, according to the Department of Health and Human Services. More than 180 million people are estimated to have been affected by those breaches.
News Channel 3's Mackenzie Decker is joining us live in studio, having spoken to a cybersecurity professor about this growing problem. Mackenzie.
Yeah, Andy, Jessica, any kind of data breach can be incredibly inconvenient and stressful for someone, potentially even leading to a stolen identity. But looking at the number of hospitals that were targeted just last year alone, a bigger question comes to mind. What makes hospitals so vulnerable to these attacks?
It was December of last year when CPS Solutions became aware of unauthorized third-party access to one of their employees' business email.
Cybersecurity is every day. You cannot have any weak moment.
An investigation showed data from the account was accessed and removed, potentially including things like full name, date of birth, health insurance information, and/or medical information, such as details on a person's treatment or prescription needs. However, the company did note that social security numbers, driver's license numbers, credit and debit card information, and hospital medical records were not among the accessed information.
Somebody could be accessing your system from very far away. They could be on the other side of the world.
In a release, the company went on to say they regret the incident and any concern it may have caused. But they aren't alone. Numbers from the Department of Health and Human Services showing more than 180 million people were affected by breaches of medical information in 2024. Vijay Busay, associate professor for the College of Computing at Grand Valley State University, says it's the sensitivity of information that makes healthcare facilities so vulnerable to attacks.
So in this case, the best thing to do would be to educate your employees, make them aware of threats related to email, including phishing and spam.
In addition, Busay says to use multi-factor authentication and spam filters while using something other than email for sensitive transactions, and avoid clicking any links.
So clicking on the link is equivalent to opening a door for an attacker.
And for an extra layer of security, Busay recommends that hospitals or any organizations that worry about cybersecurity should be auditing their system and testing their security solutions, always keeping cybersecurity on their radar.
It's been growing and it's not going to go away anytime soon because we're doing more and more things online. Awareness and training is the first step.
Following the data breach, CPS Solutions is offering 2 years of free credit monitoring and identity protection services to affected residents. For more details on resources available and how to take advantage of them, you can visit our website at WWMT.com. Live in studio, Mackenzie Decker, News Channel 3.